Gemini, the winds of change are swirling around you like never before. For months you felt suspended, half in the past, half in the unknown. The universe seemed to whisper promises, but delayed the delivery. You've been patient, questioning when your real breakthrough would come. November 11th, the 1111 portal, is your divine answer. This isn't just a date, it's a frequency gate, a powerful alignment between spiritual energy and destiny. For you, Gemini, this portal activates the long-awaited turning point of fortune. The last few months may have challenged your confidence, shaken your relationships, or slowed your ambitions. But as 1111 opens, your cosmic script is rewritten. From uncertainty to clarity, from confusion to direction, from stagnation to unstoppable flow. The energy you've been cultivating silently, your hard work, faith, and lessons are about to be rewarded in ways you didn't imagine. The stars have conspired for your comeback story. Let's explore the 4 shocking good news arriving for you between November 11th and the end of the month. Blessings that will not just surprise you, but reshape your entire trajectory. Good news. Number 1. Your destiny. Wheel finally spins forward. Gemini, the universe has had you on hold for a reason. For months it felt like everything you touched either stalled or slipped away. Projects paused, people disappeared, and progress seemed to mock your patience. You may have asked yourself, why is everything taking so long? Here's the hidden truth. You weren't being punished. You were being positioned. Every delay was divine preparation. The 1111 portal now opens a new energetic chapter where your destiny wheel begins to spin again, this time in your favor. With Mercury, your ruling planet, forming a rare favorable trine with Jupiter, the planet of expansion, luck, and opportunity, cosmic traffic lights turn green. The blocks that held you back are dissolving. The same paths that once felt impossible will now open with surprising ease. Emails you gave up waiting for will finally land. People who overlooked your ideas will circle back, curious and engaged. The opportunities you once chased will now start chasing you. This isn't luck, it's karmic correction. The universe is rebalancing the scales in your favor because you've done the inner work. You stayed patient when others quit. You learned resilience through rejection. Now, all that energy returns multiplied. But to fully receive this breakthrough, you must act differently this time. How to maximize it, revisit old projects or deals. Something you once put aside is now ready to succeed. The timing has matured and your perspective has evolved. Say yes to new challenges. This phase rewards risk-takers and dreamers. If something excites and scares you at the same time, that's your cue to move. Avoid overthinking. Your biggest gift as a Gemini is adaptability. Trust your instincts and ride the wave of change without second-guessing. Your new timeline is activating fast, quicker than you expect. What took months may now unfold in days. You're stepping into alignment over effort, where your energy magnetizes results. So breathe deeply, Gemini. The gears of fate are turning again, and this time they're spinning in your direction. Good news. Number 2, unexpected financial or career breakthrough. Gemini, your patience with money and career struggles is finally about to pay off. You've worked hard, hustled smart, and even when results were slow, you kept believing that abundance was meant for you. The stars now confirm you were right. The 1111 portal unlocks your financial reset. This is the moment when your career path, income flow, and confidence align in a way they haven't for years. You've been manifesting abundance with both excitement and frustration. And now that energy stabilizes, multiplies, and materializes. This week, expect surprise opportunities that change everything. A new job offer, a long-awaited payment, a project that goes viral, or sudden recognition from people who once ignored your efforts. For some Geminis, it might even be a complete career shift, a chance to finally do what truly fulfills you. Mercury, your ruling planet, is in a perfect trine with Jupiter, the planet of growth and fortune. This rare alignment makes your words magnetic and your presence powerful. One conversation, one meeting, or one email could become the turning point that opens the floodgates of prosperity. Cosmic insight. If you've been waiting for a payment, raise, or financial approval, it's on its way. The universe is clearing your money blocks. If you're pitching ideas, applying for work, or launching something new, this energy guarantees movement. Take the leap. For creatives, influencers, and entrepreneurs, viral exposure or unexpected collaborations are highly likely. This is not a short-term lucky streak. You're entering a 12-month cycle of financial alignment, a period when consistency and creativity bring exponential results. Every skill, contact, and lesson you've gathered will now pay dividends. But remember, Gemini, abundance responds to confidence. Speak your value. Believe in your worth. Stop undercharging, underselling, or waiting for permission. The world is ready to pay for your brilliance. You just have to say yes. This phase is the universe's way of saying, you've earned it. Now receive it. Get ready. Money starts flowing where energy once felt stuck. The breakthrough you've been manifesting isn't coming later. It's starting now. Good news, number 3, relationship clarity and heart healing. Gemini, your love life has felt like a storm this year, unpredictable, intense, and sometimes painfully unclear. You've given your heart only to receive mixed signals in return. One moment things seemed perfect, and the next, silence or distance left you wondering if love was meant to hurt this much. But as the 1111 portal opens, the emotional fog begins to lift. This is your moment of clarity, closure, and cosmic heart healing. The shift comes through the powerful harmony between Venus love and Neptune spirituality and dreams. This rare alignment dissolves confusion and reveals the truth, not just about others, but about what you truly need in love. It's as if the universe turns on a light switch, illuminating what was hidden behind emotion and illusion. 2 major transformations follow this energy: truth and transparency. Emerge. If you've been stuck in uncertainty or miscommunication, you'll finally hear what's been unspoken. Hidden feelings are revealed, confessions are made, and emotional walls begin to crumble. You'll see people's true intentions and your own heart's desires with crystal clarity. A new chapter of romantic destiny. If you're already connected, expect emotional renewal, deeper intimacy, forgiveness, or a spiritual upgrade to your bond. If you're single, someone new may enter who feels strangely familiar, as if you've known them forever. This is that past life resonance energy, a connection written in your soul's blueprint. And for those healing from heartbreak, this is where the magic happens. The energy of 1111 acts like a healing balm for emotional wounds. The pain that once controlled your thoughts begins to dissolve. You'll wake up one morning and feel different, lighter, calmer, freer. What used to hurt will start to feel like a distant lesson rather than an open wound. Universe's message: stop chasing what's gone. What's aligned for you will walk in with calm certainty. This is your reminder that love shouldn't be confusion, chaos or waiting for someone to see your worth. Love, when aligned, feels like peace. The right person won't make you guess. They'll show up, stay consistent, and match your energy. Between November 11th and the end of the month, Gemini, expect heart-based communication, reconnection, or a fresh beginning that finally feels right. This time, love won't drain you, it will ground you. Your heart has learned its lessons. Now, it's ready to receive what's truly meant for you, a connection rooted not in drama, but in destiny. Good news. Number 4, spiritual awakening and synchronicity. Explosion Gemini, get ready. November 11th marks the moment when your spirit fully wakes up. The 1111 portal isn't just a date, it's a cosmic frequency upgrade. It's the bridge between human thought and divine timing. And for you, it opens a direct channel between your intuition and destiny. This energy activates your third eye, the center of your inner knowing. Suddenly, you'll begin noticing patterns, repeated numbers, dreams that play out in real life, random songs that answer your questions, and a strong gut feeling guiding your next move. These aren't coincidences. They're cosmic confirmations that you're finally in sync with your higher path. Your vibration is rising, Gemini, and the universe is responding. You'll attract new people who mirror your evolution, unexpected opportunities that match your purpose, and insights that seem to download straight into your mind. Even simple moments, like journaling or walking in silence, will carry powerful revelations. The chaos that once clouded your mind will start dissolving. What used to overwhelm you will now feel easy to navigate. You'll sense a new calm, a quiet voice inside whispering, everything is finally aligning. That's divine protection in motion, proof that the universe has your back. What to expect spiritually? Old patterns fall away naturally. Relationships, habits, or situations that once drained your energy will release without resistance. Intuitive hits lead to accuracy. You'll make the right choices instinctively. No second guessing required. Synchronicities intensify. Every sign, numbers, dreams, symbols confirms your manifestations are on the verge of appearing. You return to your authentic self. The overthinker fades. The believer rises. This awakening is your reminder that spirituality isn't about escape. It's about alignment. You'll start living with more purpose, clarity, and inner balance than ever before. Your connection with the divine becomes effortless, like breathing. Gemini, the 1111 portal, marks the end of confusion and the beginning of conscious creation. The universe is syncing every detail to your soul's timeline. When your mind and spirit move in harmony, nothing can block your blessings. Not doubt, not delay, not fear. Your higher self is taking the wheel now. All you have to do is trust the signs, follow the flow, and know this truth. You are finally aligned with your miracle frequency. Bonus energy, manifestation. Window between November 11th and 21st, the manifestation energy is extremely potent. Whatever you visualize, write, or affirm during this period will manifest quickly. Try this. 1111 ritual. Write down 11 things you're grateful for. Write 3 desires in present tense, e.g., I am now living my dream career. Close your eyes at 11:11 a.m. or p.m. Breathe deeply and imagine light surrounding you. Say aloud, I am ready to receive everything meant for me. Trust it. Energy responds to belief faster during this window. Energy. Explained Gemini, ruled by Mercury, represents the power of expression, duality, and adaptability. You are the communicator of the Zodiac. born to bridge worlds mind and heart, logic and intuition, human and divine. But this dual energy often pulls you in two directions: the dreamer versus the doubter, the believer versus the skeptic. The 1111 portal brings your inner twins into harmony. It's where both halves of you, the rational and the spiritual, finally agree on one thing: it's your time. This alignment creates magnetic charisma. You'll find that your voice, your ideas, and your energy start influencing others effortlessly. Whether through writing, speaking, or simply your presence, you'll inspire change. The universe is giving you back your most powerful gift, your voice of light. Gemini, November 11th is not just another date on the calendar. It's your spiritual turning point, the day the puzzle pieces of your past finally click into place. Everything that once felt confusing, delayed, or heavy is now transforming into divine order. This is the moment when the fog clears and you finally see why every setback had a purpose. The universe has been working behind the scenes, rewriting your script. Every detour, disappointment, and heartbreak was never meant to break you. It was meant to build you. The truth is, the stars were preparing you for this exact alignment, and now it's here. You're stepping into a reality where the wheel of destiny finally turns in your favor. Your career and finances accelerate with newfound flow and recognition. Love heals instead of hurts, bringing peace where pain once lived. Your spiritual power awakens, connecting you to divine guidance and protection. These aren't random blessings, they're rewards for your endurance. The universe watched you stay strong through silence, rejection, and uncertainty. It saw you keep believing even when logic said, give up. Now all that faith is coming back as miracles in motion. The storms that once drained you were part of your cleansing. The people who walked away were meant to. The pain that once defined you has turned into wisdom. You're not the same person you were 6 months ago. You're wiser, grounded, and divinely guided. This new chapter is not about chasing. It's about receiving. You don't need to run after opportunities anymore. Life will now start showing up for you. Synchronicities, conversations, and sudden turns of events will reveal how deeply you're aligned. The 1111 portal energy will continue guiding you throughout the month, so trust every intuitive nudge. If it feels right in your heart, move with it. If it drains your spirit, release it. The universe is fine-tuning your reality to match your frequency of peace, purpose, and prosperity. Final message from the universe. Gemini, the wait is over. The universe is now speaking your language, and it's saying yes. So step forward with confidence. The version of you who doubted, hesitated, or feared failure no longer exists. You've crossed a spiritual threshold, and the world will start responding differently because you are different. Your time is now. Your blessings are real. Your alignment is complete. If this message resonated with you, drop a comment below. Tell the universe your affirmation for November 11th. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more cosmic updates, energy readings, and spiritual guidance made just for you. Gemini, destiny has turned, and it's finally turning in your favor.